Hello, children. Good evening, all of you. Welcome to my study classes. Today, the name of the chapter is EVS, and which is also known as Environmental Science, and it is of Standard 5. And today we will discuss about the topic super senses. Once again, what is the topic? Super senses. Now, before entering into the chapter, into the topic, I would like to give you two situations. Just think away about it and just imagine your answer. What will your answer? The first case is when you throw a piece of meat outside your house, then what will happen? Number two, if you are sitting with your friends in your garden and you all are eating chapatis by sharing with you and your friends, suddenly a crow came near you and taken away your piece of bread and flied away. Now these two situations, the answer will be is that how dogs know that you have thrown a piece of meat outside your house. Number two, how crow know if that you are sitting in a garden and you are eating chapati or bread. What will be the answer? The only answer is due to their super sense. Dog has smelling super sense. They can smell away everything that they want to eat. And crow, they have a very sharp eyesight. They can see away for their prey. So today's chapter is very interesting and we will discuss about super senses. So before discuss super senses, what is the definition of super senses? It is the secret power. It is the secret power of animals which help them to find their prey. That is, each and every animals have some superpower, and by the help of that superpower, that super senses, they can easily find their prey. Okay, prey means their food. Okay, now we are human beings. We all have also some type of senses. When we pass away from the road and suddenly we just smell very bad feelings. From where we smell? We smell by our nose, and we see different types of animals with our eyes, and we hear all types of different sound by the help of our ear, and we feel different types of things with the help of our skin. So in human beings, in us, we also have sense organs, and we have 5 sense organs. I will not say the name of the parts, you will say the name of the parts. I will just ask you the function. Which organ is responsible for smelling? In our body parts, which organ is helpful for smelling? Yes, can you answer? We can do smelling with our nose. Nose is used for smelling. Number 2, hear. How can you hear the sound? We can hear the sound by our ear. Okay. How can you feel? We can feel by our skin. When mosquito dumps us, we just feel and we become active. Look. How can you look? See. How will you see the object? How will you see the organisms? With the help of our super eyes. And lastly, taste. Yes, we eat different types of food items. We just taste and we just observe and judge the food items. When we eat some things and we just clarify the food items that no, this is very bitter, no, this is very sour, with the help of our tongue. So taste is done by the help of our tongue. Now, some animals and their super sense. We will discuss about several types of animals and their super sense. The number 1 is ant. Have you seen the ant? Yes, everybody has seen the ants. What you will learn from the ants? We will learn that ants are, every time they are in unity. Not a single ant will observe in front of our house, we can see that a number of ants, line by line, they are going for finding their prey. So what will happen if we disturb the line of ants? Hundreds and thousands of ants were just going to find their prey in a single line. And if we disturb the line of the ants, and the ants will just move here and there, after a few hours, how will be they able to judge whether my friends have been moved to that side or that side? So ants have a special super sense, that is, they have antenna. Yes, ants have antenna, which is used for smell, touch, feel and communicate. And that antenna is very useful for the ants because they help to smell, to touch, to feel and to communicate, to talk with each other, with other ants. So the antenna is very useful for the ants. Okay. Number 2, mosquitoes. Have you seen the mosquitoes? Yes, it is present inside your house. What type of sense power present in the mosquito? They find us by the smell of our body and heat of our body. Very interesting. Why mosquito bites you? Because they just smell the heat of your body and the smell of your body, and they bite you. So you have to avoid yourself from mosquitoes. Next one is dog. What type of super sense present in dog? Yes, we have earlier study about the dog. You know that dog is a pet animal also. It is domestic and it is wild also. So what type of super sense have dogs? Dogs identified another dog in their area by smelling its urine and potty. Oh, it's very interesting. You have seen that many dogs, they are just releasing their urine here and there on several items because they want to communicate with that dogs. And if the another area dog enters into their area, they will just know by smelling their urine, and they know themselves that this is not their area, and they return back. So dogs identify another dog by their waste materials, that is urine and potty. Next one is tiger. How is tiger find their prey? Have you seen the tiger? You might have seen in the zoo, nearby zoo. Yes, tiger is our national animal also, right? A tiger can see 6 times better at night than us. In the night period, the visible capability of tiger is 6 times better than us. Right? Very interesting this is. Number 2, very sharp hearing power. Hearing power means sound. Yes, tigers hear very sharply. If the prey is very very far away from them, then also he can just hear the sound of their prey, and slowly he jumps towards their prey. Number 3, its sound heard up to 3 kilometer. Yes, if tiger is present here and from here its prey is up to 3 kilometer, then also tiger knows that in a distance of 3 kilometer there is something for me. Next 4, it can sense by vibration of air to find its prey. Very interesting. Tiger have a capacity of finding their prey by the vibration sense of vibration in air also. If a bird is flying, then if there is near a tiger, he can just find their prey by the sense of vibration. So this is very interesting chapter for today. Super senses. Each and every animals is individual animals. It is a very it has a lot of useful for maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. So we have to just study the facts and knowledges regarding the animals. And in the previous classes you have just studied about domestic animals, wild animals, aquatic animals. So you will write the name of 10. Number 1, you will write the name of 10 wild animals. Number 2, 10 aquatic animals. And number 3, 10 domestic or pet animals. Okay, and try to just find out their sense, what type of sense they have. This activity you have to do in your own home. Write down the name of 10 aquatic animals, 10 wild animals, and 10 pet animals or domestic animals, and try to just find out how they can catch their prey. Okay, in the next chapter we will discuss about more things. So try to do something at your home. Don't sit lonely. अकेला किसी भी बच्चे को नहीं रहना है. सभी इधर उधर अपना कुछ ना कुछ करते रहें, खेलते रहें, अपने फैमिली वालों से बात करते रहें और एंजॉय करते रहें. ठीक है.